So right now I will show you how to make any chroma key video in CapCut. For example, we'll shoot a quick video. Like for example, we're shooting right now the background. We would like to have after that we are going to shoot any object which we would like after to be our main object, and for example this cup. So now what we're gonna do now is that we go back to CapCut, start new project. First of all, we're adding background of our video. This will be our background. We will delete this one, and now choose overlay, and now add the main object. Our main object is this beautiful yellow cap. Zoom it to the whole screen, and now the magic will happen. Just need to select this one, remove background, and we will go this chroma key. For example, we're choosing this, and yep, now we can play. So just because we have not the perfect background, the shadows, as you can see, are in the video, so we won't get the perfect result right now, but I think it's pretty much understandable how the thing is working. So, and here is the result. Yep, that's it. Bye.